This is why your stomach sounds like a rumbling volcano when you're starving. Let's uncover the secret. All right, here's the scoop. When your stomach is empty, its muscles start contracting to clean out any leftover food. This cleaning crew creates those growling noises, known as stomach rumbles or peristaltic sounds. But that's not all. As these movements happen, gases and digestive juices get shuffled around, adding extra noise to the mix. It's like a mini food factory in there. And here's the kicker, your brain plays a role too. When you're hungry, it sends signals to your stomach to get ready for food. This boosts those muscle movements and cranks up the volume of the growls. So, in a nutshell, your stomach growls when you're hungry because of active muscles, moving gases, and digestive juices, all pumped up by your brain's signals. Next time you hear that rumble, you'll know the science behind it. Stay curious and keep those snacks handy.